Hello everyone, this is part 5 of SQL queries. In this session we'll learn how to create, select and insert queries in SQL Management Studio. Open the SQL Management Studio, open a new query, create a database, name of the database sales 2. Command completed successfully. So one database is created with the name sales 2. Now we'll create a table in the same database. We have many times performed in previous lectures these queries, how to create database and table. So please watch the previous videos. I already have prepared some data to perform some queries of SQL selection. Select query are multiple selection of different columns. So we'll use the same data to select multiple columns from the database table. I already have done this query. ID, first of all create table. Name of the table is emp or employee. ID int, integer, primary key not null, identity. Employee number int, employee name varchar 200, job, these are the column names. Employee integer, employee name, job, mgr, cell means salary, commission and department. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 columns in the database table. So we'll perform number of queries on this table. Execute the query. Command completed successfully. Our table is created in the sales 2. Sales 2 is a database. Refresh the list of databases. You will find the sales 2. You will see the number of columns in that table. The same columns are created here. Now we will insert the data. We already performed some queries in previous lectures, in previous videos, how to insert the data. So please watch videos. So you can see we can use 100% so that the query will be visible. Insert into the first is, that is the employee table. These are the employee columns we have created in that table. Employee number, employee name, job, mgr, manager number or salary, sale, commission and department number. These are the values we are going to insert into the columns of the table. Smith, clerk and department is the job 7788 and the salary is 800. The department number is 20. So number of values are we going to put into the database table. Execute the query. So we'll check the data table. Edit top 200 rows. Let's perform this query again. Now query is successful. All the data is transferred to the table. Check the data of the table. You can see the data is transferred to the table by the query. Now we will perform number of queries. So now that's the table. From this table we are going to get the data in by the query. Our first query is select all the columns from the table. Select all the columns. That's a very simple query. We perform another query here. New query. Use the query select command, select star, so all the columns from the database table will be selected. Execute the query. Name of the table from employee. So all the columns are selected from the table. So that's a table created. Data is saved into table, and the select star query is used, command is used to select data from the table. Now we'll select only 2 columns from the table with the query. The first column name is emp number. Select emp number. Execute the query. You can see only one column is selected. Only one column is selected. We want to select 2 columns, then name of the second column emp name. Execute the query. 2 columns are selected from the table. So like this way we can perform multiple queries on the database table. Now we'll perform a query which will select the unique data from the table. This query command is called distinct. So here is a department number here. So in this department number you can see we have a multiple same values, 20, 20, 30, 30, 10, but we want to select only unique values. So use the distinct command. Select distinct then name of the column department number. Now execute the query. So you can see only unique values are selected, 10, 20 and 30. In this table you can see a multiple values having a duplicate values in this table. So only unique values are selected. So that's for today. We'll perform number of queries in the next lecture. So thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.